Welcome to Points of Light. We're going to be talking about and showing you some lingams from India. These are river stones, and one of our most asked questions is, what are lingams? They're a totally unique stone from one spot in the Narmada River in India, and it's a tributary to the Ganges. It's a very wide river, and these lingams only appear in one spot. This gives you an idea. This is about 3 feet tall and probably weighs about 220 pounds. They do get much larger than this, up to about 6 feet tall, just for one single stone, all the way down to the size of a peanut. They are made up of cryptocrystalline quartz, which is a combination of jasper, agate, quartz, chalcedony, and iron. The red markings are iron and quartz, and sometimes other inclusions as well. In India, they're seen as embodiments of Shiva, and therefore called Shiva Lingams. Here's another selection. Everything we have is hand-picked. There's infinitely beautiful markings. They're all different. I tend to look at them as like snowflakes. There's no two that are alike. They're naturally this shape. They're hand-polished and are just an extraordinary stone. Energetically, I feel that they bring in the balance of the masculine and feminine in form. In India, they're in temples throughout India and are seen as being precipitated, as I said, by Shiva, and are definitely holy stones. They range from tan with the beautiful red markings to greens to a lot of other different ranges of colors, and they each have a very distinct personality and vibration to them, and are powerful healing stones that I have had the opportunity, and we have as well, to work with people setting these stones in labyrinths and gardens, in sacred space here in the U.S. as well. And then over here we have some of the smaller lingams that are black, which is the most revered and sought after color in India, and it is the rarest. These are really amazing. You can see this is the natural shape. They're so well balanced, jet black, and incredibly powerful. We're fortunate to have a batch of these. They're extremely, extremely rare. This is another classic formation of the tan with the distinct red marking that is really well mapped out, and that's another marking that's highly held in India. Then we have these, which are the next largest to the first one you saw, and both are exquisite. All of these that we have are hand-picked for the beauty of their markings and the energies. So these are our Shiva Lingams. You can see them at our website at pointsoflight.net. Have a good day.